who wants to do an unboxing? Ooh, I do. I have 2 boxes that came today that are full of gifts from a couple of my favorite brands, Lilac Street and Glymed. And I thought today in this video we would open the Lilac Street box because I want to tell you about their great rewards program, by the way. I just feel like they just give you so much value for just being a client, which I think these days, you know, we can spend our money a lot of places. So it's always nice when these brands kind of like give their thanks back to us. So Lilac Street has a really awesome rewards program, and I wanted to pull it up for you just so you can understand what a few of the benefits are. They have 3 different tiers, and with all the tiers, you can do the give 10, get 10, which you give $10. So if your friend uses your referral, you get $10 off in a coupon code at checkout, which is really great. And then you can earn points for like following them on social media and tagging them and things like that. And then you can redeem your points for gifts, for discounts. And then depending on what tier you're at, you just get more and more benefits. So I'm at the Soulmates tier, which is the top tier. And honestly, it wasn't even really that hard to get to this because when you start using their products, you love them. And so you just keep reordering them. I took a little bit of time off from wearing lashes, and I've just recently gotten back into them. And I have to say, like, it's life-changing. You know, when you put your lashes on, you just feel like so sparkly, so pretty, just like so bright and happy. And I mean, it really does make a difference. I feel like when you wake up and you kind of already like look a little put together, you know? So I don't know, I love them. The rewards program, I definitely recommend signing up for it if you're using their products already. It's like a win-win. But recently they did, I don't know if this is like an annual gift or if this is just because I became the highest tier, but I got a surprise gift, which actually it's not that much of a surprise because I actually got to pick what I wanted. So let's open this box up. I'm going to tell you what I picked. By the way, I see a lot of people opening boxes with scissors. There's a better way. These little box cutters are amazing, and they're so precise and just open things up with such ease. Don't use scissors anymore, okay? I'll put a link below for these. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. Can you guys see all that? Okay, so they had a couple different things you could choose from, and one of them was like a set. So I chose this Natural Blooms set, which came with a variety of different lashes, which I kind of thought was fun because it had some lashes in there that I hadn't tried yet. So what I got in that kit was 2 each of the feathers, which I like these. They're kind of like nice and wispy. The originals, which, oh no, these aren't, yeah, originals are in here too. Oh my gosh, I don't even know where to start. The Uptowns, which are kind of similar, I think, to the Prisms. The Prisms are what I generally use on the outer lashes. Like right now I'm doing a Prism in a 16, a Prism in a 16, a Prism in a 14, and then an original and a 10 in the inner corner. So I just do 4 clusters, which is perfect for me. Prisms, I got 12s, 14s. I also got to just choose some regular lashes, just like singles. I think I got to choose like 5 different packages, like single packages of the lashes. Uptowns, Prism, I mean, there's so many lashes in here. I got to also choose a lash adhesive, which by the way, I don't use this adhesive anymore. And the reason why is because I have found that like the sweet spot for me is to leave my lashes on for like 3 or 4 days. And then I can remove them. And you know, I just love to have like, as much as I love my makeup, I just love to wash all of my makeup off. And I like to be able to like rub my eyes and give everything a nice thorough cleaning. So I don't use the Pro adhesive anymore, but if you do use this, your lashes will stay on for like 7+ days with like no problems whatsoever. Like this stuff is legit. But for me, I don't need all that right now. What else did I get in here? Oh, okay, I'm gonna try this adhesive. I've never tried this before. The clear Lilac Lash Glue. and then Crystal Coat. So what this is it's basically like a clear mascara. And after you've done your lashes, you just put a little bit of this product on there just to kind of seal the adhesive so that it's not tacky anymore. Love this product. And more lashes. All this stuff was free. I paid for shipping, which was like $5 or something like that. It's like nothing. And then this is one of my favorite tools. In fact, I already have one of these, so I'll probably keep this either for a spare or maybe I'll even do a giveaway. Who wants a giveaway? Let me know if you guys want a giveaway. I know it sounds crazy, but like, just let me know in the comments if that's something you want to do and I'll come up with something good. But this thing is amazing. So this is to cleanse your lashes and cleanse your lids and actually your whole eye area. I'm going to do another video on this, but you use this with their lash shampoo, which I have right here. And you just can swirl all around your eye with them. You can get onto your actual lashes if you want. I usually don't go right into the lashes. I go, you know, kind of down along the lash line. I go all around my eye. You can just keep kind of rinsing out the cleanser from this, and then you can use the little spoolie on the end to kind of fluff your lashes back up. So this product is awesome. And I have a lot of brushes and there's no combination that I have that's like this. So it's like just the perfect size. The material is synthetic, I believe, which is perfect. So that is my unboxing. So definitely join their rewards program if you have not. If you're new to Lilac Street altogether, I'm gonna link a couple of my other videos that go more into like the product and what to expect and kind of how to use it, my tips and tricks, all that sort of stuff. I'll link that below, as well as I have a coupon. It's the Give 10 Get 10. So if you're a new client, you can use the $10 off and sign up for your own rewards, and then you can give your Give 10 Get 10 to all your clients and your friends as well. So let me know if you guys have any questions on Lilac Street, but it is the primary brand I use for all of my DIY lash extensions. Love it if you would subscribe, join the community. Thank you so much for being here today, and happy lashing.